ALDI Mobile offers a data bank feature, allowing you to roll over and store unused high-speed data from your monthly plan. This prevents data waste and offers greater flexibility. Rollover is automatic for most prepaid plans. Unused data is banked at the end of each billing cycle and can be accessed through the ALDI mobile app or website. The data bank can store up to 100 gigabytes of data, which expires 12 months from the date it was banked. Real-time tracking of your data usage and rollover status is available in the app. This feature is not applicable to deprioritized or throttled data. No data can be transferred to another user or shared across multiple lines. When using data, ALDI Mobile follows a specific priority order. First, your current plan's high-speed data is used. Once that's exhausted, banked rollover data is used. After all banked data is used, speeds may slow to 2G on unlimited plans or stop on non-unlimited plans. To manage your data bank, log into the ALDI mobile app or website and navigate to the Data section. Here you can monitor your balance, set alerts, and see expiration dates. Proactively managing your data, such as banking data before it expires, maximizes the value you get from the data bank, helping you avoid potential overage charges.